Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy George. Today we're going to be cleaning my mom's shoes. And Mom, if you're watching this, I'm doing this for my pleasure and yours. Yes, I made this video just for my mom. So whoa. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. My gosh. And Mom, if you're watching this, I have one message for you. That message is, I saw that your shoes looked dirty, so I'm cleaning them. And whether you like it or not, I am doing it. Yeah. Now we just need to clean the other shoe. No. I can't believe I got my mom's shoes just for this video, but I did. Mom is gonna have her luckiest day. If you don't know, there is a YouTuber who goes by the name of Blue Dragon Queen. And that channel is run by my mom. And if you can find the channel, then be sure to subscribe to her, because she makes gaming videos and she's better at making videos than me. But sometimes I'm creative and crafty with these videos, so shout out to my mom and my dad, who also has a channel called Big D11B. Now, I'm not promoting their channels, but I'm just promoting on how they're better at making videos than me. Like, they can edit better than I do. So that's why one day I want to be just like my parents. And I believe in myself because I want to succeed. Success, right? Now I'm going to clean the bottom of this shoe. And now it's time to clean the other. Alright. Color. What the? I don't think that's good. Right. Alright. Ooh, look at that. Now time for the other shoe. Now we've got to dry these two bad boys. Or should I say bad girls, because the shoes belong to my mother-in-law. And I'm actually not joking. My mom has other channels that she doesn't really run. And if you don't know, I have a second channel. It's called George Games. And the name does suggest what its name is, because on that I post game trailers. And I recently have been not posting game trailers, but maybe I'll post one again. I don't know. But that's one shoe dried off. Now let's dry the other shoe. You're welcome, Mom. I hope you like this makeover that I did with your shoes. And now, in a few business days, they're gonna be clean.